Hi, I'm Scott Kuboff, a bicycle collision attorney with the law firm of Ibold and O'Brien. I was just putting an article together on handling bicycle collision cases for the Cleveland Academy of Trial Attorneys when I received some fairly alarming statistics from the Ohio Department of Public Safety that I wanted to share. So in 2019, there were 1,229 collisions involving a bicycle. And of that amount, 1,013 people who were riding those bicycles were injured. Now, this is a small decline over the numbers that we have seen over the past handful of years, but they remain relatively consistent. The one area that is pretty significant is that in 2019 there were 23 fatalities. This number just remains way too high. 23 families have forever been changed because someone was killed doing something they absolutely love. The 23 that we saw in 2019 is an increase from the 22 that were in 2018. What is fairly troubling about the fatality statistics is that if you look at the stats from over the past 2+ decades, 2015, where there were 25 fatalities, last year, where there was 23 fatalities, and 2018, where there is 22 fatalities, represent the three highest years over the past 2+ decades. That number just absolutely needs to go down. Another number that has to go down is the number of hit skips as well. In 2019, of the 1,200 collisions involving bicycles, 301 were reported as a hit skip. Now you might be thinking, hey, listen, let's give the folks the benefit of the doubt. They struck a person riding a bicycle, freaked out, they were scared, and they didn't know what to do and they drove off. Okay, fair enough. But the number of solved hit skips, so let's just give the benefit of the doubt that people go home, think about what happened, have a better sense of what to do and do the right thing, and they go to the police and report the collision. The number of solved hit skips in 2019 are 43. 43 out of the 301 have been solved. That is 14%. And if you want to think about it a little bit in more detail, the number of unsolved hit skips, which account for all collisions, is 21%. So that is 1 in 5 collisions which go unreported, or unsolved. That is just alarming and frightening for my cycling friends. Which again, just another reason that go home, take a look at your deck page on your auto policy. Make sure that you have adequate uninsured and underinsured coverage to protect yourself in this incident, because 1 out of 5 is a hit skip which remains unsolved. That is just too high, and we as a society just need to do better. If you have questions about these statistics or bicycles in general, by all means, you can feel free to reach out. My phone number is 216-800-VELO. That's 216-800-VELO. Or feel free to send me an email, scott@iboldobrien.com.